we're here with Mr. Jeff Keene. Feel free to introduce yourself.
I'm Jeff Keene. I own Keene Decorative Concrete. I
So, how did we initially meet?
believe you contacted me via text message. Then I contacted you back and talked about it. And we're here. I was a little skeptical, that I'd take the chance because he seemed like a good company and a good guy. Seemed honest. So I gave it a shot. And here we are. We've had a ton of appointments that you've scheduled for us and a lot of revenue. And I'm very happy.
That's awesome. Super happy. Thanks. How many appointments did you get from us, and how were the quality of the appointments?
At first, we were getting some good ones, like some pretty good ones, and then some not so good ones. And then whenever we adjusted the ad, then they started getting to be better leads. I think on average we do maybe 2 to 3 leads a day since it got busy. Like right at first
Okay.
during December, it was one on the first week, one a day or something like that, and then it got to two, and then three. They kept coming in, and actual jobs. I think we picked up 7 or 8.
7 or 8. Nice. And I want to obviously do way more for you too. That's the goal. How much revenue profit did you generate from it so far?
Let me pull up that spreadsheet. So roughly in revenue, 85,000.
And then how was the process of, starting to get the appointments? Was it smooth?
But yeah, pretty simple.
Super easy. Yeah, just get text messages. What would you say to contractors considering working with us?
I'd say definitely do it. You're a good company, very trustworthy. Do what you say. And I was skeptical. I was like, how is he gonna bring in 30 leads a month? And you brought in more than that. Do it.
Cool.
If you want more business, take the chance and try it out.